Welcome to aminacademy.com. It is the continuation of IB Standard Level Specimen Paper 2014. Example: if f of x equal 3 into x plus 1 whole squared minus 12, show that f of x equal 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. Here, (8a) f of x equal 3 into x plus 1 whole squared minus 12 is given. Now 3 into x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 12. Multiply with 3, this 3x square plus 6x plus 3 minus 12, which is equal further 3x square plus 6x minus 9. Second question B. For the graph f, write down the coordinate of the vertex. Question B, that f of x given like 3 into x plus 1 whole squared minus 12. Here, for the vertex of the graph, here put x plus 1 equals 0, therefore x equal to minus 1. Therefore vertex is minus 1 and minus 12. Write down y-intercept. This is B1, B2, y-intercept. To find y-intercept, we have to put x equal to 0. Here, in f of x equal to 0, we have 3 into 0 plus 1 whole squared minus 12. Here, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 12 equal minus 9. Therefore, y-intercept is minus 9. We can use in coordinate form, that is 0, minus 9. Third one, x-intercept. X-intercepts. Here, for x-intercept, you have to keep y equal 0, that is f of x equals 0. F of x is given 3 into x plus 1 whole square minus 12, keep it 0. Then solve this. 3 into x plus 1 whole square equal 12. Then x plus 1 whole square equal 12 by 3, which is equal 4. Then x plus 1 equals square root of 4, which is equal plus or minus 2. Therefore, we can write x equal positive 2 minus 1, negative 2 minus 1. Therefore, x equal 1 and minus 3 is the y-intercepts. Now, in coordinate form, we can write my 1 and 0 and minus 3 and 0. This is a that part we finish. Next, now let us sketch the graph. Here, for sketching the graph, you draw the coordinate axis first. We'll this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like here. Note the x-intercept, that is 1 and minus 3 is our x-intercept. So the axis of the parabola is the midpoint of minus 3 and 1, which is on minus 1. Draw a line parallel to y-axis. Here write the number. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Here we have y-intercept is minus 9. So therefore the vertex coordinate to the vertex is here, this minus 1 and minus 9. Now we have to join a smooth curve joining this vertex to the point 1 and minus 3. It's approximately like this, our curve for approximation. Now we are done for sketch finish. Now next question number D. If g of x equal x square, here, and f of x is given equal 3 into x plus 1 whole square minus 12. So the question is, the graph f may be obtained from the graph of g by the following transformation: a stretch of scale factor t in the y direction, followed by translation of p and q. Write pq and the value of t. Now you have to get a f of x from g of x, which means we have to stretch the graph with 3 units, as well as you have to go back 1 unit to the x-axis and 9 units go upward to the y-axis. So the parental graph is here already. The parental graph is here. So we have to stretch 3 units, and you have to come down for 9 units on y-axis and go left for 1 unit in y-axis. So we get the PQ vector is equal to minus 1 in x and minus 12 in y, and stretching factor t equal 3. We have done that. Next question. Question number 9. 2 standard 6-sided dice are tossed. A diagram representing the sample space is shown below. Here score on the second die, score on the first die. So we are adding the numbers here. So we get 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because 3 plus 6 is 9, like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We fill the table. Now we will get the values for P of x is 6. Means sum is 6 is equal 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So answer is 5 over total sample space is 36. Here P of greater than 6. Here there are greater than 6 is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Therefore 21 numbers are greater than 6. It's 21 over total sample space is 36. We can write simplification as 3 7s are and 3 12s are. Also I can write. Now find P of x equals 7 slash x is greater than 6. First x is 7 is how many 7s are there? There are 6 7s are there. Therefore 6 over 36 slash, and x is greater than 6 have 21 over 36 equal 6 over 36 into 36 over 21. Cut both, it gives 6 over 21. We can get it as 2 over 7. Now Elena plays a game where she tosses 2 dice. If the sum is 6, she wins 3 points. If the sum is greater than 6, she wins 1 point. If the sum is less than 6, she loses k points. Here sum is 6 have 5 over 36 is the probability into she scores for 3, and sum is greater than 6 is 21 over 36, she get 1 point minus because she loses. Less than 6 she get less than 6 is 10 numbers are less than 6 here. 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to 5 10 over 36, she loses k points, total equals 0. From here 15 over 36 plus 21 over 36 minus 10k over 36, which gives common 36 denominator. 21 plus 15 is 36 minus 10k equal 0. By cross multiplying we get 36 minus 10k equals 0. Then k equal 36 over 10 equals 3.6. Now let us do next problem. Here we got all okay. Next let f of x equal cos x plus 3 sin x. That domain is 0 to 0 is lesser or equal to x, lesser or equal to pi, and the following diagram shows the graph f. Here this is pi by 3, this is pi, and this is 2 pi. Pi by 3 will get later. Now first we have to find f dash of x. F of x is given cos x plus we'll write here f of x equal cos x plus root 3 sin x. Now f dash of x means differentiate the cos x is minus sin x plus root 3 sin x differentiation is cos x. Show the point Q is minus 2 here. Here the point Q is on point A, that is it's the lowest point, so which is in between that in x-axis the domain pi to 2 pi. So we have to get f dash of x equal to 0. We get minus sin x plus root 3 cos x equal 0. From that we can get root 3 cos x equal sin x, then root 3 equal sin x over cos x. Therefore tan x equal root 3, then x equal tan inverse of root 3 gives pi by 3, as well as and pi plus two pi minus pi by 3, which is equal x we get pi by 3 and 2 pi minus pi by 3, which gives 6 pi minus pi is here, not here, pi plus pi by 3, because it is the domain is in between pi and 2 pi. So next one is 4 pi by 3. So we got the value of x. Now after that substitute the value of 4 pi by 3, because its lowest point is between pi and 2 pi, in f dash of x, that is f dash of 4 pi by 3 gives minus sine 4 pi by now we have to substitute in f, because we have to find the minimum value, that is f of pi by 4 pi by 3, because we have to substitute 4 pi by 3 as x in the function f, gives cos 4 pi by 3 plus root 3 sine 4 pi by 3. Cos 4 pi by 3 is minus half plus root 3 into sine 4 pi by 3 is minus root 3 by 2, which gives half, minus into plus minus, root 3 into root 3 is 3 over 2, which gives 2 minus 4. So answer is minus 2. So the value of the function, that is q value, is minus 2. Therefore we got q equal minus 2. Now next question, verify A is minimum point. For that, to find minimum point, so f dash of x, we have f dash of x equal, already we got f dash of x is minus sin x plus root 3 cos x then B second question. Here this here also you have to substitute f dash as 4 pi by you have to substitute minimum pi, first pi and 2 pi. First pi value will substitute minus sine pi plus root 3 cos pi. So we get then sine pi is equal 0 and cos pi equal 1, then minus 1, that minus 1 into root 3 is minus root 3, minus root 3, this minus value, and we will substitute f dash of 2 pi because our minimum value is in domain of between pi and 2 pi. So we have to put that 2 pi value minus sine 2 pi plus root 3 cos 2 pi, so which gives 0 plus cos 2 pi is 1, root 3 into 1 is root 3, a positive value. So that point from negative to positive value it goes, so the point A is minimum. Next question number C. Maximum, we have to find the question number C. We have find the maximum value f of x. Find f of x. We are finding maximum value f of x equal, we have cos x plus root 3 sin x gives, here the maximum value of the graph is at the point B, which is the x values pi by 3. So we have to put pi by 3 value here. Cos of pi by 3 plus root 3 sin of pi by 3. Here cos pi by 3 is half plus root 3 sin pi by 3 is into root 3 by 2. Cos pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Cos pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 gives half plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2, which is 4 by 2 equal 2. So therefore maximum value of the graph is 2. And next last question. So we are having that function R, we have to do f of x equal to cos theta, f of x equal cos x plus root 3 sin x. So let a equal r cos, let 1 equal, because here 1 we can use it, r cos a, and root 3 equal r sin a. Now we can write, instead of 1 we can write cos a into cos x plus r sin a into sin x. We can write cos x into cos a plus sin x into sin a. R is common, cos of x minus a, the cos a minus b formula. Now here 1 square equal r squared cos squared a, and root 3 square equal r squared sin squared a. Add both side, we can get r squared cos squared a plus sin squared a equal 1 squared plus root 3 square. So r squared into 1, because cos squared a plus sin squared a is 1, so 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3, that is 4. Therefore r equal 2. Then we can write r equal to 2, and also we can write r sin a by r cos a equal root 3 by 1, which is equal, cut r, tan A equal root 3, then A equal tan inverse root 3, which is equal pi by 3. A equal pi by 3. We got R equal to 2 and A equal pi by 3. We have done.